dear children, input and output devices. In this chapter, what all things we have learned? Okay, first we have learned different parts of computer. Okay, computer parts are classified into main parts and helping parts. And the computer has four main parts. How many main parts are there in a computer? Four. How many main parts are there in a computer? Four. What are the main parts of computer? Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. What are the main parts of computer? Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. What are the helping parts? Printer, joystick and speakers are the helping parts of computer. Okay, then we have studied input and input devices with the example. Okay, input and input devices. What is input? The data given to the computer is called input. The data given to the computer is called input. And the devices which we use to give input to the computer are called input devices. The devices which we use to give input to the computer are called input devices. Examples: keyboard, mouse and joystick. And next is output. What is output? The result come out of the computer after processing is called output. The result come out of the computer after processing is called output. Okay. The devices through which we get output are called output devices. The devices through which we get output are called output devices. Example: speaker, monitor and printer. Example for output devices are speaker, monitor and printer. Then we have discussed about hard copy and soft copy. Okay, what do you mean by hard copy? Yes, the printed result on a paper is called hard copy. The printed result on a paper is called hard copy. And then what is soft copy? The result on the monitor is called soft copy. So the result, what is the difference between hard copy and soft copy? The result on the monitor is called soft copy and the result on a paper is called hard copy. The result on a paper is called hard copy and the result on the monitor is called soft copy. Okay. And next is processing. What do you mean by processing? Okay, the work done by the CPU is called processing. What is processing? The work done by the CPU is called processing. And the next is new words. Okay, I have given you 6 new words. Okay, first one, monitor. What is the spelling of monitor? M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Again, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Then what is the spelling of keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Again, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. And next is mouse. What is the spelling of mouse? M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Again, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Next is joystick. J-O-Y-S-T-I-C-K, joystick. J-O-Y-S-T-I-C-K, joystick. Next is printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R, printer. P-R-I-N-T-E-R, printer. Next is speaker. What is the spelling of speaker? S-P-E-A-K-E-R, speaker. See, printer and speakers are examples of output devices. Keyboard, mouse and joystick are example of input devices. Next, question answers. We have 5 question answers. First one, define input. What is input? The data given to the computer is called input. Again, the data given to the computer is called input. Next is define output. Next is define output. The result come out of the computer is called output. The result come out of the computer is called output. Third one, write the names of two output devices, monitor and printer. Example of output devices are monitor and printer. Then write the names of two input devices, keyboard and mouse. Two input devices are keyboard and mouse. And fifth one, what do you understand by processing? The work done by the CPU is called processing. Again, the work done by the CPU is called processing. Okay, children. You have to practice these question answers and also new words. Okay, children. And next is fill in the blanks using the words given below. Keyboard is an dash device. Keyboard is an input device. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU. Dash works on input to give output. Dash works on input to give output. What is the answer? CPU. CPU works on input to give output. This is very important. Okay. And the fourth one, monitor is a dash device. Monitor is an output device. Monitor is a dash device. Monitor is an output device. Fifth one, we get dash from the computer through output devices. We get result from the computer through output devices. And next we have to watch a video that shows how to draw a computer using MS Paint. It is your lab activity, and you just try to draw a computer using MS Paint. Those who are having computer. Others wait till the school reopens. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.